evening, Doctor. Thank you for stepping in on such short notice. Yellow Corp has a radiation leak that needs your immediate attention. Tomorrow, you'll be flown to our Nevada site. Your mission has three primary objectives. Dispose of all evidence related to experiments Y-35 and Y-36. Recover and transmit the lab data our team failed to extract from the medical bay. And finally, initiate a controlled implosion and destroy the Nevada facility. Further information will be presented on site. I wish you good luck. You're going to need it.
Ay, naka first person tagalera.
Wa?
Oh. Sige mong sukso ka.
Wa? Sen? Ah, yes. Nagatrabaho ba ako? What's this? Sprint lock? Whoa, may sprint. Object and nearby safe zone are shown here. Interact to see them tap. Oh, may interaction. Hala, just may crouch kita. May flashlight sa idawom. Oh my god. What's this? My view task. Oh god, I'm scared. Okay. Astig do game nga ra. May view task dito. Familiarize yourself with your movement and reach the facility gate. 0 out of 1. Facility gate. Okay. Whoa, what's this? Grabe do texture. Super ganda.
Yeah, hang up pa.
Wag naman. Please, wag naman po. Flashlight. What na akong gingamit to flashlight? Whoa, what's this? Oh, never mind. Find a terminal station to override the lockdown. Oh, where?
You have a choice daw.
You have no choice. The risk is on me. I have to look for a way inside this place. How? It's no flashlight. Find a terminal station to override the lockdown.
Ano to? Press
View task. Find the terminal. Disable the gate. Sindon. Where is it? I think di kara. Sabi dito ay oh. May something dito. Oh my god, bakit? Oh, super dark. Oh god, I'm scared. Hello, what's this? Press press hold.
Access approved. Gate is now opening.
Good evening, Dr. Wellner. We spoke on the phone last night. My name is Director Marcus Hale. Before you enter this facility, I need to warn you about something. When you enter the lab, it's vital.
Wow, what's happening?
Ay, natamad to puno.
Oh, where?
Andyan yung Arno.
Oh my god. Lapit lang mamatay ka to. So, just kung mag-interact ka, just say, press hold Gina-press hold mo sanda. Gimbasa mo do letter. What na kung gimbasa do letter?
Ano, ikang naduwa.
Oh god. Nadlo ka ba ako so let go ko ta. Danger, keep out. Uh-oh. Oh, where? What's this? Oh, collect. I got a key. Scary. God, just. Oh my god. How do we do this? Your decision is noted. He is not to be trusted. Good. No heart attack lang ako eh.
Apologies for the disturbance. The alarm is now offline. Authorization here is a slow crawl, and you don't have that kind of time. Find something to blow that door off its hinges. Once you are inside, I'll be able to monitor you using the cameras.
Cameras. Find materials to break into the lab. View task board. Find and collect explosives. Where? Here? I saw some explosive materials lying around. I'm scared. Oh? What's that? Oh! I got the key. You go first, Jess. You go first. Be careful. Oh, God!
Please be careful when handling explosive devices.
What is that? It's disgusting.
Nakuha ko.
Okay. Jess, super lino. Jess, hindi mo garanta. I will recommend to stay back.
Explosive detonation.
Stay back, Jess.
Please evacuate area.
Buhaya.
Explosive detonation in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Oh, God. Grabe na to, ah. No more question? Okay. Oh. Seek safety. They lurk nearby. Sabi, they lurk nearby. Hello, what's this? Oh, I don't like the feeling of this place. Something is off. I'll try to find another terminal for more information. Oh, God. What's this?
Ay, safe zone.
In case of containment breach, hide inside the... Oh, Jess, may taguan. Tapos ginalak mo ra. Jess, I'm stuck.
Ay, shit. Duwar flashlight.
No. Please. Stay, Ani, dito. It appears I was wrong about the camera.
I was wrong about the camera. I am unable to identify you.
Nope, I'm
Here's
here.
what you need to do.
I'm here, Jess. Balik.
Next to you are 4 unlabeled levers. One will grant you a safe exit if necessary, and another will open door 32A and release an abomination into the corridor. Its only intention is to tear you limb from limb.
Jess, ito yung hiding spot, Jess, oh.
Good luck.
Hello? I'm locked. At your back. In case of an emergency, just hide, Ryan. Di ka to. Safe zone.
Emergency lights activated.
Emergency lights activate. Okay. What did I do? I am hiding. Jess, we need to push everything.
Elevator shaft enabled.
Okay, and one will be opening the
Ay,
ones.
tanan ba?
Yes. Jess, I did something bad. Uh-oh.
You dumb fool. You actually opened it. All containment. Gone. You have unleashed everything we worked so hard to bury
Ayak.
here.
It was an accident, sir. I didn't mean it.
Unless you find a way downstairs.
Wala kasing label. It's not my fault. Oh God, Jess. Jess. Hide. Oh God. Hide. I cannot see. Dito, Jess. Dito. I'm gonna hide. Jess, you're gonna die.
Kaya ako sa kabila na ano.
Okay.
Bakit?
Oh my God. Nagawa ako, Jess. Grabe, daydasig mo magbalik iya. Kung ni mo una sa site mo, Jess, yung parang malayon mo, pwede kang nagawa. Oh God. Okay.
Escape security protocol activated.
Bawal ba 2 persons sa isang ano?
Jess, balik. Agtiya, come here. Lock the door. No. Oh my god. This is what they call the Operation Yellow. Okay, okay. I-wait na to. Hasta maduwa mo. God. Repair the... What? Yes, view task just minuto. Repair the hinge. I don't know kalinda. Okay. Just... Kung ga... Back. Back.
Go, go, go.
Lock the door! Guys! Oh my goodness, just... I'm scared.
Ay, makita. Ano mo. Labas yung kita.
Just... Yikes! Okay, good. Oh,
Dog.
good.
The color, the... Ay, shit!
Waman dun, Jess, kahit open the doors, hindi mo naman makasuot. As long as, naka-suit kita ya. Whoa, where are we?
Yun. Gago. Paano to?
Relax lang.
Pwede may galim.
Yes. Sabi dito, repair the hinge. What's the repair the hinge?
Pwede na natin matuga.
Nakita mo just in screen, yung mga puti-puti nga niya dot, yung parang location. I think crew yun. The location just. Hara repair. Go.
Balik.
Just! Oh God! Please! Wait lang. Repair the hinge. How do we repair the hinge?
Habo.
Oh God. Just sa atong I think
Balik.
left screen. Bukon left screen. May may puting dot. Sa likod mo, Jess.
Wait lang. Yes, kita ko.
Yes, we have to go there. Repair the hinge. Hinge. Grabe ta ng hands. Okay. Go. Repair the hinge. Repair the hinge. Wa pa, Jess, wa pa.
Lapit mo.
Ah! God, Jess, I'm gonna die. Please, do not kill me. I'm a good people. Please. Do not kill me. Okay. Chill lang. Chill lang. Do not panic. Oh God, Jess!
Shit.
Jess! Ah! Open the door! Please!
Bakit ka na?
Please!
Open doon.
Why?
Ano man yan?
Ginlock mo ako, Jess.
Ging repair ko malang doon na.
Automatic rin nag-lock doon no elevator. Don't worry, I'm live.
Open elevator ko ba?
Eh. Don't worry, I lived. Hopefully that thing can't reach me here. If I can find a way to contact the director. I'm good, don't worry. He might help me out of this place. Okay, view the task, Jess. Find symbols to draw out the first bridge. Find symbols to draw out the second bridge. Wazo.
Oh.
Be careful, Jess. There's spooky. Whoa, what's this? Number 3.
Then
Oh.
2.
Wait, paano kung pasunuro naton? Ay, hindi na pwede. Back?
Ano?
I-find all of the numbers, I think.
Arawan.
Ay, wait. Nagkulay green?
Wa nag-color.
Ay, nag-color green do 1 at 3. I think, ano tawag kara? 4 na lang.
Wa tag-4.
I think may 5. Ay,
5
may something.
1, 2, 3, 5.
Oh, 5, 5. Cannot see anything.
Okay.
Oh,
Ano ba?
whoa, there's numbers. Wow, statue.
Find from the video. May 7
Yes, yes. May number, may number. Oh, God! Oh, God. Nag-green, Jess. Anong number da? No, it did not open.
One, 4. Ay, bukod.
Ano? I think different ano man da? Different. Oh, okay. So, hindi na ito napon dun 1 anay. Okay. So, yung 1.
Wala ba dito?
Pwede ba idawom? Ay, nope. Hindi pwede. How do I jump? Basta nag-hide imo plain sight.
Kasi pwedeng balikan tag dati.
Pwede. Try mo.
Aron 1, 4, no?
Yes, 4. Tapos B nga may dewang ka. Ay, wait. Kita ko doon ah. Hararo, no? Hi-enable mo, Jess.
Anong may na...
Iyakakon, iyakakon.
Ano sunod?
Hi-enable ko do pangatlo. The next ay 5. Then 2. Yay! Ano next? Enter the main lab. Okay. Whoa, just! There's a spooky dookie. Don't forget to don't trust. The gas will trick you. The gas will trick you, kuno. Huh. Oh, look, there's... Oh, di ko mapindot to. Paper. Whoa.
Shit.
Collect the multi-tool. Oh. Wait lang, may something yo.
December 22nd, we found a yellow haze in the Shell Creek mines. 30 seconds after
Oh,
inhaling
never mind.
this haze,
Wala na.
colors shift. Within minutes, things appear, things that aren't there. Research on this new chemical was backed and funded by Director Hale. We found a way to bottle it.
Who's walking?
Then a cure. Then we created Serum Gamma. It twisted simple creatures into violent killers. We learned violence isn't born. It's developed.
Oh god.
Our only solution for survival became a flash we put into your multi-tool.
Jess.
Blind it and run.
Uh-oh. May weapon tayo, Jess.
Don't
Flashed.
fight it. Don't reason with
Uh-oh.
it. Run.
Connection
Hindi
ended.
ko ma-flash, Jess. I did something bad. Jess, ging sayang mo. Ah.
Oh, di ko alam.
What's this? Lab document. They found it by accident in the Skills Creek mines. A yellow haze that made exhausted. Ah, tamad ako mabasa, guys. Pasensya, latagid.
Sino na?
Yun.
Sino ba?
Haraw. How to open this? Oh, haraw.
Pero,
Opening exit door. Please be aware of the influx of yellow in the corridor.
How do we... Flash available.
shit, fuck.
Oh, may ano galit siya sa may
Running away
timer.
already, Doctor. Pathetic. Fine. This corridor is thick with yellow.
Ay, shoot.
Breathe it in. Let it fill your lungs.
No, no, get away from
Why your
me.
mission is so vital. I will expect
Please.
your full loyalty from this moment on.
What?
When I let you out, move to the security room and accomplish your
Oh,
directive.
oh God.
Even think about escaping again. I will flood these corridors and let the experiments have at you.
Una brada.
I will use my flash on you. Pilang minutes na lang? 6 minutes, 5 minutes, ay bukon. 4 seconds. Jess, i-ready mo yung flash. Kahit ano mangyari.
Dr. Wellner,
Where are
the
you?
experiment you freed found a way down. It will be looking for you. Do your best to stay clear. If you are in danger, use your multi-tool and run.
Okay, run, Jess.
Ay, garbage ka. Iwanan mo ako.
Sprint, Jess, sprint. So, do Raya just nga flash nga na may timer does so one at a time nga used. Okay, terminal device. All nodes must be red. Hayda na kita just. So, use it just kung una imaw.
Okay.
All terminal must be red. Hot open. Oh,
Ano? Ano kailangan kong gawin? Where are you?
Access
I'm here.
denied. Please upgrade your
Access denied
multi-tool
daw.
to use this door.
yeah, the monster eh. Good.
Ay, pinag-ina mo.
Nakita mo diba to parang computer? Yan, may nakapangalan niya terminal. Need natin nga i-enable para maging red.
Wala ang ako ng joystick.
Flashed! What the?
Balik.
I don't know how to use this. We're screwed.
Oh no, masamag.
Bakit mo ginamit?
Napindot. Yeah.
Flashlight, anay. May timer eh. Okay, 26 seconds na lang. Do ano? Just!
Wait lang, gaano ang phone di mag-duwa joystick.
Okay, kalma na just. Wag ka just maglaga. Please lang. I'm scared. What the? Just?
Sing ka.
I died. You didn't protect me.
Oh, no.
Try again. You didn't protect me. Why?
Ay, gabasa ako. Love zone. Naduwa ka.
I'm here. I lived. Okay, here's the plan. I will flash, then you run.
Sing ka to.
Follow the light.
Where's the light?
Access denied.
What the?
Please upgrade your multi-tool to use
Just how to hiding spot.
Shit, imo kang.
Run!
Shit.
I will use my ultimate
Ayaw man. Visit na.
I will use my ultimate skill.
Lapit na ako ay.
Okay, I will close this door.
Access denied.
What
Please
the?
upgrade your multi-tool to use this door.
How?
In heaven.
Access denied. Please upgrade your multi-tool to use this door.
How? How? Ho ho. I-follow mo just do ano? Do puting aron.
Okay, kita ko. Wait lang, sino? No, kasi rush mo.
Oh, flashed! Okay.
Oh shit, na babe.
Gingamit ko do flash. Bulag imaw. And now I hide. Bo, lapit lang to ah.
Wait lang. Gabi, nagduwang.
Flashlight mo, Jess. Kung malapit mo, Kimo, at kung gamitin mo do flash, gastap mo diagan at para may few seconds yung mga blind. Ruin the purpose it flashed.
Tragically, Doctor, this is the last time you'll hear my voice for a while. Finish your directives and, when you're close,
Nataguan.
I'll be there to guide you out.
May light.
Stay true to the mission.
May
I fear
ga-highlight.
for you that there is little chance of survival. I'll leave you this for your darkest hour. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul.
What? Use the... Objective 1. Restore his data centers. Find and disable the terminal active. Wait lang, just. Oh god. Oh god. What did I do? Bakit di ako sa ano? Stop. How do...
Saan ka, Jun?
Oh my god, Jess. Unay mo sa... camera. How do I back? Please. How do I move? I died.
What?
I died. Nasa camera ako eh.
Ay, gago.
Oh god.
Ano ba yung
Wait
Ay,
lang.
puta, yung ako.
Oh, I'm here. Use the MVP to destroy the data. How?
Ibig mo kasuri, ah.
Let me check.
Iya ako sa aming lugar.
How do I move? Nasa camera na naman ako. God. Oh, hello Jess.
Yeah.
I see you. Sa camera.
Sin ka.
Sa camera ako, Jess. Gato ka, okay mo?
Why ka sa camera?
Ay, gato ako sa camera. Saan na ba ko? Oh, hello Jess. I'm gonna die again. I think hindi na itong maghanap yung thermal.
Ay, shit. Kita ko.
I died again. Na naman. What?
Ay, you are a monster?
Yes, I think so. Let me check. Find the disabled void thermals to activate the MVP. How? So, computer to access the camera. Ah, ito ay ano, camera. Okay. I found it! The upgrade. Oh, no, I died.
Sarap ko daw kanina.
Nakita ko do terminal computer. Bilang patay kunda.
Okay, di mo kalapos di karon.
Yes. Okay. Faster upgrade.
Congratulations.
Jun, nakita ta.
The power of flash! Ah, God! I'm gonna hide.
Oh no. I'm gonna die.
Oh, God. Sa akong naging obra nga to, pwede ako maka-access yun ibang nga doors. Nice one! Okay. I have to keep opening doors para makasuit si Jess. Just try not to die.
Congratulations. Your multi-tool has been upgraded.
Michigan. Iya ako sa Michigan.
Okay.
Access granted.
Ay, gago. Nagbalik ako sa... sa bridge. Oh.
Kung may nakita kang highlight niya, nga computer, una sa middle, camera, computer camera, pwede ka makapamantaw. Pila ko ng flashed. Pwede ko nang
Grabe,
gamiton.
blur. Hindi ako kakita. Ayan.
Oo, niya ako gagamit.
Cute. Mura.
Oh my god. He's running. The power of flashed!
Ano ba kasi dayang mga note na...
Ala, what happened?
Ay, shit. Gago.
Just do not die. I cannot see. I cannot see anything. What's happening? What's happening?
Matay ako. Dragging.
Too much sprint ba? Oh! I died again.
Kita. Oh, here monster. Oh, I think kita ka na ako ng Jinda Jun.
Oh. Nakita mo no camera?
Joke lang. Ito kami.
Where I am? Oh god. Gamitan to flash kung unay mo. Pero kaso, one time use lang, may timer. May may cooldown.
Ano mga lugar naman?
Dalawa naging activate.
Oh, Jun na.
Unay mo just hide.
Ano ba gina-activate?
Computer. Kung nakita ang computer nga need niya i-upgrade para pwede ka maka-open it doors.
Chin ka siya. Chin ba right inside mo kung saan?
Sing kita, pwede kita makagiya.
Yes.
Haro.
Iya, pwede mo mag-up siya.
Oh, king, ano mo block?
Ay, man, i-close mo.
Haro, hiding spot. I would recommend to hide. Jess, wag Jess.
Puta.
Camera ron, Jess.
Paano? Oh my goodness.
Okay ka. I-lock the doors. I-lock the doors. I-lock the doors.
Access granted.
Oh, better safe than sorry.
Ano to, brownie ah?
Check na to camera. Whoops.
Ano man dun, camera pa.
Move away just. As in,
Wait lang.
farther gid. Para maduwa ka.
Boom. Bulaga.
Maka-access ka just sa door. Try mo, i-open the door. Haraw.
Yes.
Okay.
Access granted.
Hara, itong need just so nga i-upgrade. Rayang makarang style nga computer. Makara. Okay, need na to maghanap. More. What happened?
Access denied. Please upgrade your multi-tool to use this.
Flash! What happened? Bakit access denied? Find more Jess nga computer nga makato.
Oh, pabalik-balik.
Gamitin flashed.
I mean, pabalik-balik ka ako kung sino ako.
You're confused, Jess. You're confused.
Ay, alin mamatay, umatang.
Ganyan talaga Jess yung life. Wala tayong magagawa.
Ay, shit, game ako. Patay, umatang.
Oh, screw me. Nagbalik yung matang. Kulang pa tayo ng isa, Jess. I think. Dewa pa lang ang i-activate.
Nai-activate ako ng isa.
Oh. Need ko mag-back. Kasi may door iya nga wanat na-activate. Hello, what's this? Suspicious. Wa man na.
Pabalik-balik na lang. Ano pa kasi dayang raw?
I'm trying to look for something. A door?
Access granted.
Ay, Juna.
Oh god, what is this? I need to open. Quick. Do gas, Jess.
Access granted.
Okay.
The
Okay.
note lab.
Yes. I think. No? What?
What?
Haraw do last. At yung sabiyo gatong di natin ma-open, ang tunay natin to.
Congratulations. Your Your multi-tool has been upgraded.
Hindi. Balik kita. Sasambihin nga ito nga hindi natin ma-open.
Saan?
Back. Sing ka, Jest. Oh. I-ready mo yung flash. I-ready mo yung flash kung... Flash! Wow, double the dash. Get on. Dito, Just. Dito. Oh, do not move. Open.
Access
Go.
granted.
I'm aware of how this sounds. I'm also aware of the price of progress. This program has cost lives. I authorize that cost. Because the alternative is extinction by 1,000 diseases with pace. I did not build this for fame or legacy. I built it for humanity. And to the girl I could not save. I'm sorry. If we achieve controlled evolutionary advancement, what happened to her will never happen again. If you had trusted the data instead of your fear, we would have reached viability sooner. She would have had a chance. She was beautiful.
Oh.
And I was too slow. I will not, and I cannot let this happen again.
What is this? There's grief? You experiment another girl? God, that's cruel. So what are we looking? May something ba dito?
Find and disable void during the
Kung why, balik lang rin kita. Igtuman sa gas. Yan eh. I think backstory malang da. I think that was so sad. Balik kita sa gas.
Access granted.
Just in case nga pag doon mo, i-ready kong ano, gun.
Oh no, gamit to. Hindi na ako gagawin.
I'm here, just don't worry. We will live.
Tuwa ako. Ano, manabi. For me lang gablar.
Nahapo atong character. We are missing something na naman. I feeling ang character ngayon nahapo.
Ano? Sing ka, Jun.
Yeah, nagbalik man ako sa safe zone.
Sing safe, bro.
Sa harap.
Hindi kita ko.
Too much running means gahapo atong character. Parang sa backrooms man ah. I think may isa pang door nga need atong i-open.
Bet ko. Jun.
Go. Nasaan yung hindi pa natin na-open yung door? I think Raya.
Access granted.
Lumaw, lapit.
Oh god. Unay mo just. Okay, how do we do this? Chamber, DNA, blah blah blah, will turn green when primed. The tanks. We're definitely missing oh!
Ay, shit, yun yung tubuan ko. Na wrong turn na ako.
Yes. Aha, you cannot get me. There's definitely something na namimiss tayo. Oh, okay. Nakita mo just yung sa ano?
Dali.
How do I do this? Gets ko. May nakita ka just nga sa wall nga yellow. Yung may nakabutang need nga i-red. Pinutasan da just. Sige ta. Basta mag-red sanda yung mga tatlong yellow.
Okay.
Basta mag-red. Pure red tatlo.
The first terminal has been disabled.
Okay.
All terminals need to be disabled to arm the EMP.
Oh, 1 down. 6 more to go. May lang yung toko do yellow. Syempre yellow eh. Character ko, please, wag ka maghapo.
Dito. Patay yung mata.
Jess, you keep dying. Why?
Tag mo yung dito.
Yes, yung... Oh, God! Yes, yung may 3 dots sa wall. Sige, yung top. Hasta mag-red sanda. Sige sa isa.
Okay, gets. Thank you.
Kubabo, sanda diba sa wall? Okay. I cannot see anything. Does the monster know how to open doors?
Ay, kita ko.
Oh, I heard that. Just your poor soul. Ah! What do I lock? Papunta na siya. I'm gonna hide. Sige na. Basta mag-red. O, papunta na siya, Jess, sa'yo. Or to me. No, go away. Here. I repeat, papunta na siya, Jess, sa'yo.
Chin, ba ni Mau? Na naman, bakit na mo ka?
Ay, i-hold mo lang galisandan yun itap. God, nagatinap-tap tao kanda. I-hold mo walang
Okay man pag binatap.
buhay eh. Faster to to hold.
Terminals are now 50% disabled.
Okay, I cannot see anything. This is pure torture. I cannot see anything. Taratan, sino ako? Saan yung flashlight?
Third day, na lang.
Oh, nice.
Makabo ka din pwedeng again naman.
I'm hearing. Oh God.
Ayan, mukha ko.
Tama na. Akala ko pagtun mo yakakon.
Iya kami sa may camera. Iya ako sa may camera.
Una pa imaw.
Yeah. Nag-alis na siya.
What the? Ging hold cool? No, please. Go away. One more, I think. Nandyan pa siya, Jess, sa'yo? Or wala na talaga?
Paano kung ako ito?
Oh no.
Ay, gabi.
All terminals are now disabled. The
Ayun na,
EMP is
yeah, kasi
now
dito.
ready to be
Oh,
armed.
where? Oh, hello. Okay. Just in case lang, just basi grab ka na, no?
Hindi yan.
Okay, follow na itong putting dot. Oh, hello. Wow, good! Jess, you're gonna die. Goodbye. Oh no, I'm gonna die.
Not dead.
Okay. Flushed! Flushed! Ay, what the? I died just. Nagadugdug ang heart. Tug. Oh, gadarin mo, Jess. Pagtoy mo una, Jess. Pagtoy mo una.
Ikaw Bantay ako ga pindot. Wait.
Yay, mo ka ako no.
Ay mo kay mo?
Okay, nagpanaw ni Mau.
EMP has been activated.
Press the
A
green
large
button and
amount of
stay.
electronic radiation will be emitted to destroy the servers.
Ano ang sunod?
Press the green.
Stage 1 reached. Device is 25% armed.
Tago, hide. Hide.
I'm trying to hide.
Stage 2 reached. Device is 50%
Oh god,
armed.
the creature's coming. Okay, he backs away.
Device is 75% armed.
Ah, ginawit na to.
Okay, okay. Just keep hiding.
Device is armed. Detonating surge shortly.
Oh, wow.
Whoa, everything turns gray. Oh my god, ano the monster? Activate both switches on the generator room. Una ron just sa sa may gas.
Ada ka kita.
The power of the hour. Let's go, Jess. I'm at the back. Flash!
Hindi ko makita.
The brightness, the lightness. Yeah, see anything. I died. Yung sa may gas nga to, balik kita.
Bato mo.
Ha? Need na to ng flashlight.
May flashlight. Okay na, nakalagpas na.
Okay, okay, okay. I'm out! Goodbye, monster.
Power rerouted to lab.
Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. Find a lever that... Oh my god, why?
Wait lang, siin ako.
Just
Ayan.
our savior. Where am I? Where did I come from? Alright, okay. Too much running, just I got blur atong vision.
Ah, babo, ba't ang kailangan?
Was to purge all tanks. Oh god, just oh god, my god!
Gang ko, iba. Nakasalubong ko siya.
Nakikita mo lang mo just to achievement kung i-enable mo the view task. Para kitang-kita ko babang yellow.
Yes.
Kubawa sanda. I'll follow you, just. Oh yes.
Find the vault and destroy everything inside.
Go, just.
Try to choose this path. Feel the full force of yellow. And in that light,
Ba't ako sa'yo? Ay, na yung mga
Okay. Too late. It was too late, Jess.
Ano?
Okay. Iya ako sa camera room.
Okay.
3 more to go. 2 more to go. Yay mo kakon. Okay, papunta na siya just ski mo.
Saan ba yun siya?
One more. The victory. Use the button to purge all the tanks. Where? Tika to. Sindon.
All DNA has been purged and all records have been wiped.
Donate both Justin.
Donate both. Oo. Oo. Balik kung may kita ito sa gast. Taliyang. Phew. Relax, Jess. Pasiunay mo. Alright. Chill.
This will be your last objective. Once you enter, you will have high enough access to detonate both the testing center and the lab. After that, there's nothing more you
Iya
need
ko
to see
sa
here.
demo
So I'll
objective.
ask that you please exit the facility.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Lab detonation sequence Q.
Gotta figure
This
out.
lab will detonate approximately 10 hours from now.
Hi, Danay ako. Yeah, hello, Jess. I'm at your back.
Dr. Wellner, now is not the time to be curious. I hope you do not make a wrong turn here.
Just to,
You
ano?
have done everything perfectly.
Don't understand.
Why stop now? Why risk death?
He wanted to spread it.
Holy water.
Ew, Alinda.
Due to an airborne disease.
This is
You're not
disgusting.
supposed to be here, Dr. Wellner. Turn around and go home.
Yellow has been detected in the corridor. Please proceed with caution.
Unable to reestablish connection.
Ano may agyan?
Oh. Flashlight mo, Jess.
Yeah, ano ka?
Hara just a vault lock. What's next? Press 5 buttons with... Oh, God!
Gabriel, I'm serious. Your job is complete, and it's time for you to go.
Oh, no. Do not...
This area is restricted. Don't make me force you out.
But we don't have a choice. How do we get out?
Ano?
Jess, where are you? Oh. I am currently stuck.
Yun niya ako.
Oh.
Yun niya ako.
Is there more? Yes, there's one more just.
Gabriel, this is your last chance. There's things that you're not authorized to know. If you
Hara
enter
just...
that vault, I cannot promise you make it out of this alive.
Oh God, there's an angel of wings. This feels... But you don't have a choice, sir.
I think you have seen enough.
Yes, I've seen...
Put the cure back, Gabriel.
No.
Or I will drown you here in yellow and take it off of your corpse.
No.
Time is ticking, and I am the only one with the access to open this exit.
No. I don't wanna. Is there another way? No, just wag. Okay, there could be another way. What the? What if I don't want to? Oh well.
And the return cure?
I-return ko na lang. Ayaw niya na
You
eh.
made the right call putting that cure back, Doctor.
Prepare to run. Just
But you
run.
inhaled too much yellow. Does any of this feel real? Can you even tell anymore?
Prepare to run, just.
So here's your final test, Gabriel. When you hear it start running behind you, just decide for yourself whether it's real or not.
Just run, just. Flashlight. Follow me, Jess. Follow the light. Follow the arrow.
Sabi lang ako.
No, do not give up. Do not give up, Jess. We will survive. No! I will win this for us, I think. No! My God, I'm stuck. I died. Get ready na naman, Jess. I think. Try again. Where are we?
Sino ito?
My vision
Hello?
for this world is beautiful, Gabriel. Can't you imagine it? Thanks to you, I'm a few steps closer. With the data gone, I'm untraceable. Left to do my experiments as I please.
Chapter 1?
Yes.
Thank you. Truly. I did also say you could leave, and I will keep my word. But if you try to find me, I will kill you. If you slow my operation down in any regard, I will kill you. The doctor started talking through those radio messages. I corrected that. Don't make me do the same.
Alin to? Alin tong noise?
Ewan.